Hello, so this afternoon, it's Monday afternoon and I'm down in Old Portsmouth by the Round Tower fishing with Jake and we're chucking some feathers out. It's about 3 hours to high tide and there's a load of seagulls diving. You might be able to see them behind me. He's just going through those seagulls and they're feeding on something. Don't know what it is. And look at this beauty I've just caught. What a fantastic looking fish. It's my first big bass of the year. Beautiful. Get the sun behind me. Look at that beauty. Fantastic. Gone. There he goes, look. Right, look, this is this little homemade feather that I just had that bass on. All it is a size 8 hook, a bit of, I think it's called haberdashery ribbon, hologram stuff, just tied on with one of those knotless knots. And it's tied to the main line through a figure of 8 thing. Have a look on YouTube on the Handmade Fisherman's site, because that's where I saw it. It's a bloody great big thing. I have a feeling they're made on the Isle of Wight and he's probably going up to load it onto a truck somewhere. Haven't got a clue really.
Seagulls are starting to land up there again.
And there's Jake, the Portsmouth angler, having a dangle. And the seagulls are still over the other side, look. Hundreds of them. And Jake just said that they're up that way as well, on this side, up by Spice Island. We might go up there in a minute. And lo and behold, while I'm talking to you, there's a waka waka coming. I think it's a Chinook. We always get them flying over here. Their maintenance facilities over in Gosport. I hope you can see it. I can't see a damn thing because the sun's in my eyes. No, I really can't see anything. I'm pointing in the right general direction. So we've moved over to Spice Island now. And there's a few birds out there, but there's still hundreds over at Hasler. Lovely day. And would you believe it? I've just gone and caught another one. A bit smaller. But considering I didn't come out here bass fishing today, and there you go. This one's not quite the size of my shoe. Right, I'll get him unhooked and put back in. Wait, please.
The guy's caught a seagull.
First one this year.
Poor thing.
No, it won't be. It's alright, mate. I can get it. Carefully.
Hold his wings in. Ouch.
How much? through his leg. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, you bugger! Serves me right. Jake thinks he's actually got something at last. Got a nice bend in his rod. Oh, that looks very fishy. Let's have a look and see what he's got then. There is. There you go. And Jake's got to caught himself a bass as well. There you go, mate. Well done.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
That's his first bass on feathers.
Well, there you go.
And it's my first bass on feathers today as well.
Yeah.
Hold him up when you've unhooked him, Jake. Are you happy now?
Decent size as well.
Yeah.
It's alright, yeah.
For what we're used to catching, to catch something that's half decent makes a nice change. I haven't got my pliers with. Can you get it out?
Should be able to. The trouble with these small hooks.
Yeah.
Too small for your fat fingers, aren't they?
Yeah. If you go on the front of my very front left pocket, front, one more. There's some pliers in there. Slimy now. Right, come on, there's one in the belly.
Don't think do things by half, do you?
That's him.
He's off, mate. Hold him up for the camera then. Brilliant.
Got it?
Well done,
Like
mate.
that. Full.
And just caught another one. Put my boot in. There you go.
What size you got? 18, isn't it?
What I do is get a Mars bar, get a fun size pack one though, you know what I mean?
Oh, I've done that. Put Snickers down next to them. And another one. I've never caught so many bass. All on these stupid little feathers. Fantastic fun. Would you believe it? I got two of them at once. Wow. Right. I should have bought my tripod, mate. Gonna let them go. Now this is normally the sort of size that I'm used to catching. Look at that little beauty. And another one. I can't believe what's happening today. All these fish that are coming in. I guess I'll be making a load more of these rigs tonight then. A lot of them are this sort of size, which is, I guess, just about a pound. Anyway, let's get this one back. Jake, can you hold that for me? Just feel me chucking him back in. Because I haven't got any chucking back ins of this lot today. Sorry, mate. I know you're fishing.
It's not like I'm catching much though.
Right. Thanks, mate. Wow, that was a session and a half. Wasn't expected to catch all those fish. So that's me done. So I'm heading home now. See you again.